How to log in into HDFC Netbanking account online. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch any of the browser. Here we go. Now here you can see this search box. Over there type in HDFC login. Now click on this website option, HDFC Bank, open it. With that you will land to the official website of HDFC Bank. Now click on this option of login. Click on the very first option, Netbanking, open it. With that, you will land to the login page of Netbanking. Now over here, you have to type in customer ID or user ID. In the case you have forgotten it, you can click on this option to recover it. After you fill it, click on continue, and in the next page, you have to type in the password and then click on continue. With that, you will be logged into your account. So this is how you can easily log in into HDFC Netbanking account online. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.